Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of my time here with me today, or of your time, I should say, here with me today on my media channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and looking at Rocky, the Ultimate Knockout Collection. Now, to me, this is not the Ultimate Knockout Collection because this only has the Rocky movies. It does not have any of the Creed movies. I think those are just as much Rocky as they are Creed, even if, Rocky himself doesn't appear in Creed 3. But look, it does have Rocky 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as a Rocky versus Drago director's cut of Rocky 4, Rocky 5, Rocky Balboa, and both a theatrical and a director's cut of that one. You have this excellent image of Sylvester Stallone, although I prefer, the classic poster where he's walking with Adrian. These are in 4K from MGM and Warner Brothers. I love that image. Very classic image. They show an image from every Rocky movie. That's great, except for that one. They kind of show the poster, and it's like, okay. Here you have like a little bit of a mess with the ratings. It shows you, okay, the first 4 rated PG, then Rocky 5 is PG-13, and then Rocky 4, Rocky versus Drago is PG-13 because I guess they changed their mind or something. Then you have Rocky Balboa, which is PG, and then you have the director's cut, which is unrated, even though I don't think it would be very different. Let's open up. Let's just see what the discs look like. I would be very happy personally if they used like images from all the Rocky movies on each of the discs. I think that would be awesome personally, but I guess we will find out. So let's pull this out, and of course you have the same image on the front, but now on the back you have all of the movie information, which I like that. Still crazy with the ratings and everything, but oh well. So let's open this, and we do have a digital code, but I am keeping that digital code. And, well, okay, a little disappointing. That's a little disappointing. Just the bare basic title on all the discs. Rocky 4 and the director's cut are on the same disc. I actually haven't watched the director's cut, so I actually get to see something new here. Rocky 5, Rocky Balboa. And then they put all of the bonus features on one disc, which, that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine considering like these are all 4K discs. Put all the special features on a Blu-ray disc. Save that space for better picture and sound. All the discs are HDR and Dolby Vision, so that's all really nice and dandy. No special sticker or anything on this collection. Yes, I do read the comments on that Batman video, and I hear them loud and clear. So that's Rocky, the Ultimate Knockout Collection. I personally would have called it the Yo Adrian edition, but, well, I mean, maybe that's a little too on the nose. Also, Adrian technically isn't in Rocky Balboa, so why did they call it Rocky Balboa? They should have just called it Rocky 6, but, whatever. I'm sure that's an old complaint by now. So anyway, that's Rocky, the Ultimate Knockout Collection on 4K. Do any of you own this set? If not, why not? I mean, it's one of the great movie series of all time. Which one of these is your favorite movies? Do you think the Creed movies should have been included in this? I would love to know. So comment below, and I will see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.